important. Respect for yourself is important. Trust me. Trust me. Feeling like life is a waste now.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another Amazon find. So once again, this unit comes from Unice and you can find them on Amazon Prime. I have all the details and information located in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. So I decided to pick up a summer wig. So I wanted something that was super easy, something I can just throw on. I didn't have to commit to gluing down or just that heavy commitment of having to wear it for hours upon hours. So I decided to pick up this new MeltLine braided edge half wig. This is what it looks like. It does have that braided edge line, so therefore you don't have to pull out any hair, and it kind of gives you like a style within itself. This is the cap construction. You do have the drawstring in the back, you have some adjustable straps, as well as some built-in combs and the anti-slip silicone grip. Now, per usual, I like to kind of go in and define the curls just to kind of get rid of like that factory look, like that boxed in look. So I started off with spritzing down the hair using some water. I followed up using some foaming wrap mousse as well as gel. Then I'm going in using my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush, and I'm just clumping those curls together. You do notice that this wig does have the spiral ends. Now, when I went in and defined the hair, I did lose those spiral ends, so I'm going in piece by piece to regain those little ends. So I'm just kind of shingling the ends using my fingers just to where I can get like those little spiral ends. I went ahead and I let the wig dry overnight. This is what it looks like. You guys do notice that braided edge line. Once again, it kind of gives you a style within itself, and you don't have to pull out any of your natural hair. I do have my hair cornrowed in the front to kind of match the little braided edge line. You don't have to do this. You can just wear it with the hair kind of slicked back in a ponytail. You can kind of part it, or you can just wear it with a headband. You don't have to pull out any hair with this unit. However, if you choose to, you can. You can pull out some hair, kind of give it a little style within itself. I just braided down my leave out. So it's just like cornrows going back. I applied a little bit of oil just to kind of give it like that healthy shine, so therefore it can blend in seamlessly with the half wig. And now I'm just using a little bit of my basking leather edge control that I got from Amazon, and I'm just going to go ahead and lay my edges. So I let my hair kind of sit and set for about 15 minutes, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to show you guys exactly how simple this unit is. I just went ahead and I adjusted the little adjustable straps to where I can get a nice perfect fit. This unit does have combs in the front, so I carefully inserted those into my braids, making sure I'm not tugging too hard so I don't want to create any breakage. I went ahead and I adjusted the drawstring in the very back, making sure that I tuck that in, and it's on. It's that simple. You don't have to pull out any hair. This is one of those units that you just throw on and literally go. It's that simple. I just decided to take my white tooth comb. I'm just fluffing out those curls so I can create some volume so it's not too flat, and you guys can see exactly how this wig just comes together. It doesn't look like a wig just sitting on top of your hair. That little braided edge band really does sort of play into the style of the unit to where it almost looks like a little braided headband, if you will. However, if you wanted to, you can definitely pull out your own hair and blend it in with the unit, but I don't know about y'all, I'm lazy. I don't want to always have to do that. So therefore, just kind of putting it in over your hair to create a style, it's super simple, super easy. I don't have to think too much about it. Now you guys can see exactly what these curls look like. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but this unit is in the Burmese curly, and it does have these spiral curly ends. And my unit is 20 inches long, and this unit also is 180% density, so it looks very natural, and it's not too heavy. This unit is very breathable, so you don't have to worry about this unit being absolutely too hot during the summertime. You guys can see how snug this unit is. It's not going anywhere. Now, my unit did include a little stretchy headband, so I'm just going to show you guys exactly what this unit looks like with the headband applied, just in case you don't have your hair braided up, or you just maybe want to, you know, utilize your own hair, maybe just slicked back. You can definitely cover up a good portion of that if you don't like the little braided edge band. You know, whatever you choose to do, this unit is very versatile. It works either way, and that is the reason why I'm so here for it. So again, you guys do check out Unice. I will have all the details and links located in the info section below. Again, this unit can be found on Amazon Prime. Yes, go ahead and check that out. I absolutely love this unit, and I've been wearing it thus far. I can just easily throw it on and go, and I'm right out the door. You guys let me know what you guys think about this unit, and I will talk to you guys on the next video. I love you guys. Bye.